Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode is titled AI That Understands, Computational Linguistics at the Frontier. We'll present breakthroughs from 34 leading research papers that are shaping the future of how machines understand human language. This podcast explores advances in efficiency, trust, reasoning, and empathy, synthesizing key insights from recent research. Join us as we examine the science behind teaching machines not just to process, but to truly understand human communication. Can artificial intelligence interpret the subtle cues in your voice? Imagine sharing your feelings with a voice assistant. Could it really sense your mood, your hesitation, or the tremor in your speech? Most AI today still misses these nuances, focusing on words rather than emotions or context. However, new research is pushing the boundaries, making machines more attentive and empathetic to human expression. In this episode, we ask, how close are we to AI that not only understands what you say, but also how you feel? Let's explore the possibilities and ongoing challenges that remain on this path. Computational linguistics is the discipline that connects the complexity of human language with the logic and precision of computers. This field powers essential technologies such as search engines, translation tools, and digital assistants. Its mission is to capture not only the literal meaning of words, but also emotion, intent, and cultural nuance. Today's research aims to make artificial intelligence not just smarter, but more relatable and adaptive to individual users. Ultimately, the goal is to create machines that truly understand people in all their multifaceted complexity. Picture computational linguistics as a vibrant city, bustling with diverse neighborhoods dedicated to different research challenges. Each avenue addresses key issues, accelerating model speed, ensuring fairness, fostering empathy, and enabling inclusivity. Language models serve as the city's infrastructure, continuously evolving to support a growing population of users and applications. Like any thriving city, progress depends on connectivity and collaboration among its inhabitants. Today's episode offers a guided tour through the most exciting districts of this research landscape, highlighting the innovations driving the field forward. First, let's address speed and scalability. As language models expand in size and capability, their computational demands increase, similar to a library that has outgrown its old carts. Zhang and colleagues, in their paper Batch Speculative Decoding Done Right, introduce a method to accelerate language generation. By allowing parallel guessing and verification of multiple possible next words, model efficiency is dramatically improved without sacrificing accuracy. This process is akin to a team of librarians rapidly sorting books together rather than working individually. The technical foundation here is speculative decoding, which enables models to make multipath predictions in parallel, enhancing both speed and scalability. Next, we focus on trust and fairness, crucial qualities for any AI system serving diverse users. Reliable models must act like knowledgeable tour guides, providing accurate information to everyone, regardless of background or dialect. Recent papers address the detection of AI-generated text and strategies to reduce uncertainty in model responses. Wu and colleagues specifically tackle bias in multilingual speech recognition systems. The guiding metaphor is a tour guide who understands every dialect and treats all guests equally. Technically, model alignment is used to fine-tune AI, ensuring fairness and transparency in decision-making. Advancing to reasoning and multimodality, the field now equips AI with tools akin to a detective's investigative kit. The aim is for models to reason and synthesize information, not simply recite facts. Chaudhry and collaborators, in Once Upon an Input, demonstrate how AI can perform step-by-step reasoning using per-instance program synthesis. Today's models increasingly handle not just text, but also speech and images, integrating multiple modes of input. This multimodal capacity allows AI to piece together clues from various sources, just like a detective combining evidence from words and pictures. per-instance program synthesis is a key technical innovation here, enhancing the cognitive modeling abilities of AI systems. The research landscape yields several standout findings. Zhang and colleagues achieved triple-speed batch decoding, enabling real-time AI applications without compromising accuracy. Li and the Persuade team reveal that multimodal AI, while powerful, is also more vulnerable to manipulation by persuasive images and videos. Das and collaborators find that instruction-tuned models can outperform even the largest commercial systems in cross-lingual and multicultural contexts. Li's EchoMind study demonstrates that empathy remains a significant challenge for AI models as they struggle to recognize and respond appropriately to emotional cues in speech. Meanwhile, Wang's team shows that pruned translation models can operate faster without sacrificing accuracy, contributing to more efficient global communication. Now let's take a closer look at our featured paper, Batch Speculative Decoding Done Right by Zhang and colleagues. The central challenge addressed is how to make large language models fast enough for real-world deployment without losing accuracy. Speculative decoding allows a draft model to guess the next words, which a more accurate target model then checks for correctness. However, implementing batch processing introduces complex alignment issues, known as the ragged tensor problem, where sentences diverge in length and require careful synchronization. Zhang's team introduces EQ-Spec, a method that guarantees output correctness in batch generation. Their approach keeps multiple outputs in sync even when processing sentences of different lengths simultaneously. Here's how the innovations work. EQ-Spec ensures that outputs from batch processing are identical to those from standard step-by-step generation, guaranteeing correctness. However, maintaining this alignment introduces significant overhead. Realignment accounts for approximately 40% of the system's processing cost. To address this, EQ-Spec groups sequences of similar lengths, reducing the frequency and cost of realignment. These methods are implemented using standard hardware and open-source libraries, requiring no specialized equipment. In practice, the team achieved a threefold speedup at a batch size of 8, with output correctness maintained at 95%. The impact of batch speculative decoding done right is substantial for scaling AI in practical environments. This approach enables real-time AI applications in translation, chatbots, and content moderation, where responsiveness and accuracy are critical. The correctness-first methodology builds trust, especially for high-stakes applications. Importantly, the solution does not require specialized hardware, facilitating straightforward integration into existing systems. Notable model pairs such as Vicuna 7B/68M and Qwen 3/8B/0.6B have demonstrated significant performance improvements using this method. The paper sets a new benchmark for efficient and reliable language generation in operational AI systems. Looking forward, the future of computational linguistics is akin to an expanding symphony, with each breakthrough adding new instruments and harmonies. The next wave of advances will bring deeper empathy, enhanced reasoning, and broader language support. Progress in multimodal and cross-cultural understanding is anticipated, fostering AI systems that can interpret diverse forms of communication. Integrating insights from neuroscience and psychology will further enrich model capabilities. The ongoing evolution in this field continues to refine the melody of human-machine understanding, bringing us ever closer to truly intelligent and empathetic artificial intelligence. To conclude, the field of computational linguistics is rapidly advancing, as highlighted by these 34 papers demonstrating creativity, rigor, and ambition. Progress in speed, trust, reasoning, and empathy is accelerating. Yet significant challenges remain, especially in achieving genuine empathy and global inclusiveness. Computational linguistics is at the forefront of shaping the next generation of artificial intelligence. Listeners are encouraged to engage with the conversation, as insights and questions from the broader community are vital to future progress. This presentation was synthesized using GPT 4.1 from OpenAI for narrative construction and insight extraction. Text-to-speech and image concepts were generated with tools from OpenAI and Google, ensuring a rich multimedia approach. All content was reviewed by human experts for clarity and technical accuracy. Nonetheless, minor oversights may persist, so listeners are advised to consult the referenced papers for comprehensive details. Full source references are provided for transparency and further study. Subscribe to AI Frontiers to access the latest developments in AI research and insights. Explore in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and detailed technical analyses. Join a vibrant community of researchers, developers, and enthusiasts committed to advancing artificial intelligence. Your feedback plays a crucial role in shaping our future presentations. Follow AI Frontiers for ongoing updates on the evolving world of artificial intelligence.